Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna pull this baby out of here. And what you want to do is you just want to unscrew the faceplate screws. Leave the handle lever screw on because you could possibly lose the whole thing down the drain pipe. So leave that handle screw lever on. Just comes out like this. Bam, done. That's the whole thing. Pulled it out very simply. And what I need to do, I've got to, there we go. I've got to set this pin in here. So I've got to get it into one hole. There we go. And now I got it locked in. So this is important, this pin, because when you put it in there, it keeps this from pulling out. So that's important. This side goes to the top, this side to the bottom. All right, so to get it in here, you want to make sure that this doesn't get germunched. You got to make sure this doesn't get germunched. So we got to kind of slide it in like that. And then it's just gonna, we're just gonna fish it down there slowly but surely, just like that. And then we're gonna set it on there. And this has to come up here on this side, like that. And now we just gotta get our screws in. Very simple. I might have to pull it back a little bit to look and see where my screw hole is. There it is right there. And then you don't want to cross thread it. You want it to be thread in there, right? So there we go. There we go. Now it's good. So I'm not going to screw it all the way in until I get this side on. Oops. So this has got to go. So I got to loosen this a little bit so we can get this side up. There we go. Now I can get this in there. Just got to find the hole. Get it started. There we go. Now we're good. Just make sure that you don't. Bam. Now this side. And now it works. Good. That's what we needed. Bam. All right, so now we've got our little hair catch in there, and this looks 100 times better. Let's take a look at it. All right, so we redid this, cleaned it up. Always put that thing there before you start working on this. And then this has been all redone. So all those were redone. Put a new cartridge in there, new head here, and fix that thing. So this 50-year-old tub should be working good now. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff.